Hi there, I'm Anna McPherson from the agency and welcome to 47 William Street in Yeppoon. Situated in the heart of the Yeppoon CBD, I can't wait to show you what this one has to offer. Comprising of 2 bedrooms and a generous sleep out, you're going to be impressed with the character on offer. The French doors, high ceilings and wooden floors surely will impress. Offering a functional floor plan with effortless flow, all on a 405 metre square fenced allotment in the heart of Yeppoon. You're going to love what 47 William Street has to offer. If you'd like to own your piece of coastal paradise, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.